how to post story on Instagram. Want to share quick updates with your followers? Let's post a story on Instagram step by step. So first, open Instagram story. Click on this plus icon at the top left corner of your screen, and that will take you into this section where you can basically find post story, real and live. So simply select story from here and then click on your local drive and then select a photo you want to post on your story, and then go ahead and add the music or the background music for your selected story. You can also add text on your story, and then you can also apply filters for your story. So once this is all done, go ahead and click on this next button and then select where you want to share your story. So you can share it on Facebook if you prefer to do that. Click on share to confirm, and your story would be posted on Instagram. And that is how to post story on Instagram.